this shit crank.
Hey guys, it's Keandrachiccollection. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick DIY on how to turn this oversized $5 t-shirt from Walmart into this bomb ass crop top with extended bell sleeves, y'all. I love this top, like it's just so fucking bomb. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned, sis. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell so you're notified whenever I post. And if you are, sis, I love you. Let's jump into this quick DIY, okay? So of course you want to make sure your shirt is turned inside out. Take your bodice pattern, whatever you're using, use whatever you feel most comfortable with. I feel comfortable with this dress. I can fit it. You know, I'm just doing the top part, not the whole dress. So I'm just going to cut that out, and then we're going to cut out our sleeves. Do the same thing. Make sure right sides facing right sides. Pin them together, and we're going to sew, okay? Simple, easy. And if you love this video and enjoying it, make sure you give me a thumbs up at the end of this video and leave me comments, guys, because you know I love when you guys leave me comments. I love them. It doesn't matter. I can take constructive criticism, okay? We learn together, period. And while we're talking, the dress that I just used as a pattern, it can be purchased on my website at shopkeandrachiccollection.com. It is available in a small and medium, so make sure you go check that out, sis. Once we're done sewing the sleeves and our main bodice part, we're going to put the sleeves and the bodice together, connect them together, pin them together, make sure they're flat, and you're going to serge in a circle, and that'll be your sleeve connected, dude. Yeah. I'm just going to hem the bottom, neck, and our sleeves. This was before I thought about adding a flare on there. I did hem the sleeves, but you can do is whatever you want to do. It is your prerogative. Whatever you want to do, sis. But yeah, all I'm doing here is hemming them, and then we're going to go to our flare. And on the bottom, I used a zigzag stitch because I was going for a lettuce hem. So yes, use a zigzag stitch, and I pull very taut as I go. As you can see, as I'm pulling, it gives like not a ruffle, but like a ripple lettuce effect, see? Now when we get to our flare, I measured the circumference of my wrist, which was like 7.5. So I'm just going to measure that across the shirt in like a semicircle. and also add seam allowance, and we're just going to cut. I really can't explain how I'm doing this, but you want to make sure you have the length of your flare and the circumference of your wrist. You need those measurements. And then once you have those measurements, you just want to connect the lines, connect the dots, connect the lines as you see I did, and you just want to cut on the dotted lines. 5K shit, you feel me? And to ensure that they are symmetrical, even, whatever you want to call it, I fold it over and cut off the extra like so. And once you finish, you'll have, like I said, kind of like a semicircle. You want to fold them over, and this is what you should have. And then from this point, we're going to sew along the sides on the serger, and we're going to connect them, we'll pin them to our sleeve, and then they will be finished, guys. That'll be a wrap, okay? Again, if you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified whenever I post, and make sure you leave me feedback. Like, I have like 3 comments sometimes, so I'm not even gonna complain because I like the little 3 comments. But don't be afraid to leave me feedback, sis. I love it. I really love it. But here I'm just pinning them together like I said before, and we'll be finished. Both flares are finally sewn on. This is the finished look of the flares, and this is the finished look of the top. When I tell y'all it was so freaking bomb, like I love it. I just love the way this came out. It's just so bomb. I love it. And if you love it, give this video a damn thumbs up, sis. You know you like it. Don't even try to do that. Don't watch this video and love my shirt and don't like the video, okay? But yes, guys, I am Keandra Chick. I love y'all. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. If you're new, subscribe for me, sis. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you guys next video.